Drop them, Daisy. Lucy. Get the ball. Get the ball, Foxy. It's under the bed. Now Peanut got it. Come on. We're missing one because Oren went to have surgery today. He has a ruptured anal gland. Come here, Peanut. Hi, Michelle. Okay, come on. Where's the ball? Let Foxy have that one, Daisy. Good girl. Michelle doesn't chase ball. Peanut! Peanut! Okay, so she bumped into you. Big deal. Boy, Peanut, you get your panties in a bunch real easily. Come on, Lucy. Lucy. Get it, Lucy. No? Oops, Foxy got that one. Foxy, you looked right at it and you walked away. Oh, you got... That's not a good one? Yeah, that one got grass in your mouth. I know. I know. That one got grass in your mouth. Daisy. Give me those balls, Daisy. Drop them. Drop them. Daisy, I'm not playing tug of war with you. Drop them. No, forget you. Forget you, Daisy May. Wait, Lucy. Come on, Foxy. Foxy's like, wait, I got a blade of grass in my mouth. Come on. Catch it in your mouth, Daisy May. Good girl. Good catch.